Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you will be updated on all my future content. So this video is going to focus on two-digit addition with and without regrouping. So I have a problem here that does not require regrouping, and then I have a problem here that does. I'm going to go through step by step how to solve each problem, and we are going to get into it. All right, 24 plus 25. So we are going to start by adding the numbers in the ones place. We're going to start by adding 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 equals 9. Next, we're going to add the digits in the tens place. 2 plus 2 equals 4. And we have our final answer. 24 plus 25 equals 49. Now, in this model how to solve an addition problem that requires regrouping. So 2 plus 8, we're going to add 2 plus 8 first, and then we're going to add 3 plus 4. So 2 plus 8 equals 10. Now, because our sum is double figures, anytime your sum is more than a single-digit number, anytime it's 10 or more, you have to regroup. So the first digit in your sum is going to go in the ones place, and then the second digit is going to go in the tens place. So 2 plus 8 equals 10, so the 0 in 10 goes in the ones place. The 1 in the number 10 gets carried over to the tens place. And now we have to add that 1 to our answer. 3 plus 4 equals 7. We add the 1 to our answer. We get 8. 0 in the ones place, 8 in the tens place. And 32 plus 48 equals 80. Shout out to the person in the chat that actually put the answer in the chat. He's correct. It is pretty simple. It's simple for some, it's challenging for others. But my channel's for everybody, so if one person benefits from this video, it's worth it. All right, he wants something challenging. All right. $25 plus 49. I'm going to let the person in the chat solve this one, and then I'm going to go through it and let everybody know if he's correct or not. Let me speak to the person in the chat here. My videos are for pre-K to 8th grade students. So there are some very easy videos, there's some simple concepts, and there's some challenging concepts. All right, now this video focuses on addition with and without regrouping. Concept that's kind of simple for some. Now, since you want a challenge, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I will give you a challenge problem to solve. I'll put one on the other end of the chat. I'm going to focus on the two-digit addition for this video, but if you want to solve some big multiplication problems, go right ahead. All right, so 25 plus 49. 5 plus 9 equals 14, so the 4 goes in the ones place, the 1 gets carried over to the tens place. Two plus 4 equals 6, plus 1 equals 7. 25 plus 49 equals 74. Now that multiplication problem that you see right here, that's for the person in the chat that said my math problems are too easy. That's for him to solve. So I'm not going to solve that one. I'm going to solve that problem on another video. I'm going to save that for another video. But that's for the person that's in the chat that wants a challenge, and He says that 2-digit addition is too easy for him, so I gave him a more challenging problem to work on. All right, 61 plus 23. So 1 plus 3 equals 4. 6 plus 2 equals 8, and our answer is 84. Now notice I did not need to regroup there because the sum was less than 10. Anytime the sum is 9 or less, regrouping is not needed. So the person in the chat just solved this problem. He said the answer is 725. Now on a different video, I'm actually going to solve this problem out in the video, and then we'll figure out if he's right or not. But shout out to the person in the chat for wanting a challenge here. All right. So I'm making one problem for the person in the chat to solve, and then another problem that focuses on the original concept of the video. So 62 times 31, that's for the person in the chat. Problem I'm modeling, I'm going to keep it to 2-digit addition. All right, 71 plus 11. So we're starting in the ones place. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Regrouping is not needed because our sum is less than 10. 7 plus 1 equals 8. And we have our final answer, 71 plus 11 equals 82. What about an ACT test question? The last time I took the ACT was in 2008. We're keeping it elementary up in here. All right, 12 plus 19. So starting out, we're going to add the digits in the ones place. 2 plus 9 equals 11. 1, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3. And we have our final answer, 12 plus 19 equals 31. Next example problem. Shout out to everybody in the comments. Shout out to all the positive comments. Please hit the like button. It really helps the algorithm. I appreciate you being here. So these problems that I'm putting in the chat for the viewers that prefer to work on multiplication, I will do another video where I actually solve these problems. All right, 32 plus 59. 2 plus 9 equals 11. The 1 and 11 goes in the ones place. The other 1 and 11 goes in the tens place. 3 plus 5 equals 8. Plus 1 equals 9. And we have our final answer. 32 plus 59 equals 91. All right, next example. Shout out to everybody tuning in. I appreciate you. Please hit the like button. Helps the algorithm a lot. All right, 15 plus 75. So we start in the ones place. 5 plus 5 equals 10. The 0 and 10 goes in the ones place. The 1 and 10 gets carried over to the tens place. Anytime our sum is 10 or more, we will need to regroup. 1 plus 1 equals 2, plus 7 equals 9, and we have our final answer. 75 plus 15 equals 90. All right, next problem. 71 plus 15. 1 plus 5 equals 6. 7 plus 1 equals 8. No need for regrouping there. Anytime our sum is less than 10, we do not need to regroup. So 71 plus 15 equals 86. All right. You can call this the finale, final problem of the video. 22. No, what? No, I don't want to scratch that. 27 plus 69. So we're going to add the numbers in the ones place. 7 plus 9 equals 16. The 6 and 16 goes in the ones place. The 1 and 16 gets carried over to the tens place. 6 plus 2 equals 8. We add the 1 that we carried over. It becomes 9. And we have our final answer, 27 plus 69 equals 96. All right, that is my video for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video. And if there is an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments and I will do a future video on that skill. Until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri signing off.